Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to make a quick video on the Yeezy Boost 700 by Adidas in collaboration with Kanye West. These released on Saturday the 9th of March 2019 and it comes in your Yeezy Boost brown slide out cardboard box. No extra laces or accessories this time, but we're not here for the box anyway, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the Yeezy Boost 700 Inertia. Special thanks to the guys over at Offspring for the raffle win, and the word inertia means to stay grounded or remain unchanged. Similar to a scientific term that describes an object's ability to resist changes in motion. However, Kanye West and his Adidas design team made a few subtle changes to the latest Yeezy Boost. The Yeezy brand continues with muted themes, with what I can describe as a light steel grey, leather, mesh and suede upper. Light hits of Air Force Blue suede can be seen at the toe, as well as the mesh padded tongue and reflective 3M hits on the ice stay. This shoe features a steel grey midsole, with hits of Alice Blue at the forefoot and coral hits towards the heel. It's then finished off with a cream jigsaw puzzle inspired outsole, exposing the white Boost cushioning. Next is the improved suede quality at the toe. It's less heathered and feels more premium and soft compared to previous 700s. Other improvements include the improved Ultralight insoles rather than the regular padded ones for improved cushioning and support. This Yeezy 700 also continues the elasticated tongue midfoot strap for secure lockdown. The salt colorway from a couple weeks back were cool, but these are remarkable. This kind of reminds me of the sample pair that Kanye West was sporting back in September 2017, minus the gum sole and white midsole. The coral hits add a nice pop, and I love the overall blue tinted shoe. These also look great with greys, whites and tans due to the cream outsole. The hits of 3M also pop, exposing the 3 stripes behind the mesh mid panel. And sizing wise, I went up half a size since I have wider feet, but you can stay true to size if you have more narrow feet. So a lot of people have been asking me, should you pick these up? I would say yes, this is a very nice colorway and I think it's stronger than the Moes and Salts. So here are my thoughts on the shoe. Now it's time for yours. Did any of you manage to pick these up? And if you need any further information or have any questions or suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment blue to show me you watch his videos to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Heartface. I sell my stuff for an app called Depop, so you might want to follow me on there too. As usual, all other links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.